we need to do the univariate analysis with respect to single feature. So in this particular case, I have df of info, and total number of categorical feature is gender, race ethnicity, parental level of education, lunch, and test preparation course. So one by one, I'll do the univariate analysis. Analysis with single feature. So I'm first doing the value count df of gender and the value count okay. This is the okay. So gender count, okay, gender percentage equal to the gender count divided by gender count dot sum of multiply 100 and print distribution of gender count where I am printing the gender count and print distributions of gender count with respect to percentage and print gender percentage. So the total number of female is 518, male is 482, and with respect to the percentage for the female is 51.8 and for the male is 48.2. So I need to plot this also. So in order to do this one, I need to plot plot dot figure. I need a bigger plot. Fig size with respect to 12 and 6, and I can run here plot SNS hist plot. No, gender count of plot kind equal to, I need a bar plot, and okay, so this is a bar plot, and next I need to do title of this particular bar, plot of title, which is nothing, distributions of gender, and I need a value also. So in order to do the value, I need to run the 1 for loop. For I in range with respect to the length of I in the range is gender count SNS gender count plot dot text df data df of I of gender count of I and h1 is I want to it is center, and the dot title of this particular bar is the distributions of gender. Plot dot x level is nothing, gender. Oh, there is some error. Okay. I made some mistake. I think length of okay, and one more thing I also need here. Plot dot x streak the rotation, which is nothing, 45 degree. Okay, let's define the, I need also find out the distributions using the pie chart. So in order to plot this pie plot, I can write here the plot dot figure fix size 12 by 6 and plot dot pie chart, and then here I will pass the gender count with respect to the label is nothing, the gender count and index. The next parameter I have the autopacity, percentage 1 f percentage and plot dot legend, and finally plot dot show. And with respect to bar plot, the total female is 580 and for the male is 482. The distribution of the gender count is a female is a 518 and for the male is 482, and then the percentage of the for the female is 51.8 where the male is 48.2. So the next clause, which is nothing, the race ethnicity. So I need to df of race ethnicity dot value count, and then okay, then race ethnicity count, and I can write here the race ethnicity instance percentage, the race ethnicity divided by race ethnicity dot sum of multiply 100 and printing this particular value, which is the distributions of race ethnicity, and printing the distributions of race ethnicity, which is the percentage, and printing this particular value, and which is the race ethnicity percentage. It should be work. Yes, the group C is 319, group D is 262, group B is 190, group E is 140, group A is 89, and with respect to the percentage, C is 31.9, and with respect to group D is 26.2, group B is 19, group E is 14%, and group A is 8.9%. So let's plot this plot with help of bar plot and pie chart. So in order to do this one, I can write here the plot dot figure fixed size with respect to 12 and 6 and race intensity plot, and then kind equal to bar, and title of this particular plot is distributions of race intensity. Alright, and I am running the for loop. Okay, for I in range length of race intensity and race intensity plot dot text that plot dot text of race intensity of no, I need to pass the I, sorry, race intensity of I, race intensity of I, and then I need to pass the height is nothing but H is center and B is the bottom. Plot dot title of this particular plot is the distributions of race intensity plot dot x level, and this is the race intensity, and for the pie chart I can write here, and I need also the rotation plot dot x-trig rotations is my 45 degree, and plot dot figure fixed size with respect to 12 by 6, and then plot dot pie chart is nothing, and I need to pass it the race intensity count, and then level is my race intensity dot index whatever index, and then the another parameter I need to also pass, which is the autopacity. It should work. I don't know what I made some mistake. Let me see. Okay, this is this, and now with respect to pie chart is plot dot pie race intensity count label equal to race intensity index of autopacity, and then the percentage of 1.1 f percentage, and plot dot legend, and plot dot show. Alright, so with respect to group C is 390, group D is 262, group B is 190, group E is 140, and group A is 89. And with respect to the percentage is the group D is 26.2%, group B is 19%, group E is 14%, group A is 8.9%. So the next plot is parental level of education. DF of parental level of education value count. So the total number of some college is a degree high school, some high school some high school, bachelor degree, master degree. Okay, so parental level count, parental level percentage, and with respect to the parental level percentage, divide by parental level percentage dot sum of multiply 100 distributions of parental level of education and print parental level of count, and then in order to find out the percentage, so the distributions of parental level of education with respect to percentage and print parental level of percentage. So it will be, the output is the sum high school is 226, associate degree is 222, high school is 190, some high school is 179, bachelor degree is 118, master degree is 59. And with respect to percentages, some high school is percentage 22.6, associate degree is 22.2, high school is 19.6, some high school is 17.9, and bachelor degree is 11.8, and then master degree is 5.9. So it's saying the only the some student who did the master degree. So let's plot this particular plot with help of bar plot and pie chart. Plot dot figure thick size with respect to 12 and 6, and then the parental level of plot, and then I can pass here the kind equal to r, and then plot of this particular plot is nothing. I can write here the distributions of parental level of education, and I need to run the for loop. So for I in range with respect to length of parental level of count, and plot dot text of I, parental level of count of I, and parental level of count of I, and h1 is equal to center and b1 is equal to bottom. Plot dot title of this particular plot is the distribution of parental level of educations, and the next is the x level. X level is nothing, and parental level of education, and with respect to I need to also find out the, and then the x streak is nothing, the rotations is I want 45 degree, and with respect to pie chart, plot dot figure thick size is nothing, 12 by 6, and plot, and the plot is the pie chart of parental level of educations, and I need to just pass here the level level is parental level of count index R2PCT R2PCT percentage 1.1 F percentage plot dot legend of this degree is showing the 2026, SSI degree is 2022, high school is 196, some high school is 179, bachelor degree who did is 180 and master degree is 59. So the total number of the student who did the 59 student did the master degree, and then the bachelor degree is 118, and then some high schools 179, high school is 196, associate degree is 2022, some college who did 2026. And with respect to the percentage is the each ones, which is the high school is a 19.6, and then some high school is a 7.9, bachelor degree is a 11.8, and then master degree is a 5.9, and then the SSI degree is a 22.2. So that's all for the today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.